Let me know that you can hear me well and that you can see me. I just sent an email announcement that we're going live today to share with you some really exciting things. And before we go live, make sure that you share this video with somebody who you think will benefit from listening to it, as well as tag your friends or family members that you think also need to hear what I'm about to share here in this video, okay? So, first of all, those of you who are new to our page, my name is Oksana. I'm a peer-reviewed, published immunology scientist. And over the last decade, my sister and I have helped hundreds of people reverse different types of chronic diseases rapidly without supplements and without complicated protocols. And I'm a co-founder of Victoria Oksana, and I want to welcome you to today's live. If you are someone that you know has been struggling with Hashimoto's disease or alopecia, or maybe you're dealing with extreme fatigue or chronic inflammation, you should definitely watch this video. And I'm sharing the real and raw healing journey of one of our amazing clients, Kirsten, whose story is nothing short of life-changing, and I think many of you will see yourself in it. So Kirsten, she came to us after dealing with multiple autoimmune diseases for years, including Hashimoto's and alopecia, which if you don't know, this is when your immune system attacks your hair follicles and it causes hair to fall out in patches. And she was first diagnosed in 2001. That's over 2 decades of ago. And she tried everything: steroid injections, topical treatments, doctors, specialists, functional medicine. And at one point, she was taking 75 supplements every single day. So, our client, she spent $8,000 and hours in 3 hour appointments with holistic doctors, and some things helped her a little, but it wasn't sustainable. And when she got vaccinated to keep her job, everything collapsed. Within 12 days, she lost all of her hair on her body, eyelashes, eyebrows, and scalp. And you can imagine how devastating that was for her. And if you haven't seen her video, then comment under this video. We'll share with you her YouTube video from 3 years ago when we worked with her. And her hair started growing back within 2 weeks, as well as 3 years later, she still has full hair growth on her. So, on top of hair loss, she was dealing with crushing fatigue, and she could barely get out of bed on weekends, and she was gaining weight. She was always feeling cold, battling joint pain, sore throat, and overwhelming depression and anxiety. And her confidence really shattered. She was sharing with us that in this video, that if you want to see the full video, where she talks about how she regained her health, the things that she tried to do, why they haven't worked for her, and how we were able to help her, is that she was wearing wigs, she was avoiding photos, she didn't even recognize herself anymore, and all she could think was, I've done everything right, why is nothing working for her? So when Kristen found us, she learned that we're not just some health coaches. If you've been following us, you probably know that we are peer-reviewed, published immunology scientists with over a decade of helping people reverse all type of chronic diseases at the cellular level. But the fun fact is she actually went to the same university I did. I studied at the same university as a client did. So there was this instant sense of trust, but she still had doubts like everybody else. Because, like I said, she spent $8,000 prior to even coming to us for help. And when we told her that we can help her reverse all her diseases, Hashimoto's, her fatigue, her hair loss without drugs or supplements, she actually told us, like, you're right. She didn't believe that it was option, that it was even possible, but she decided to get a help anyway. And that's the difference between people like her and other people, because other people, they try things and then they give up and they ultimately fail at healing their body. And you can actually watch her video with us from 3 years ago when we worked with her, and then she sent us an updated video just a month ago. She was so generous about sharing her healing journey, because she's actually helping you and telling you by sharing her transformation that you can actually get better as well. Because without her sharing it, people would not think it was possible for you too. So from day one, we gave her a personalized recovery program. It was simple, it was clear, and easy to follow. Even with her new full-time job, she just started working at a new job when she came to us for help. And every day, she would send us her daily reports with her symptoms, and would either adjust her recovery plan based on experience helping people reverse chronic disease, or we provide the support that she needed to stay on track. So she had daily access to us. No other doctor does that. They don't give you daily access to us. And that's why we always prioritize our clients among anybody else, because our energy goes into people that invest in us, that we have time to our energy to invest with. So she no longer had to wait weeks between different appointments. If you have us with you every single day, we can help you see what you're doing wrong or what you're not doing right. So within 2 weeks, she started noticing these tiny baby hairs popping up on her scalp. And they were so fine that she wasn't even sure if they was real, but they kept growing. And that moment was huge for her because it gave her hope again that she can actually regrow her hair. And what really kept her going? Well, another reason that helped her with her recovery is that we have weekly science based classes, and we have with our clients in a program, and we have a private community. The feedback that you get in the education. So she wasn't just healing, she was learning how to stay symptom free for life. So we teach you how to optimize your organ and cellular function and add quality years to your life. And you can check out our other clients that we helped on this page or YouTube channel, and all the different conditions we have been successful at reversing. So really, what matters the most from my experience, that helping people transform their health, it's not just knowing what to do, it's having the guidance to make it work for you and the community support. Because in a community, you are there with other people who are healing together with you. It's a small community because we'll limit to how many clients we accept into a program to keep the high level of experience and support that is. So it means if somebody comes in that we don't think we can help, that's going to ruin our environment. So we only accept clients that we really believe we can help. It's a small community where people are recovering. And then the second thing, we teach you the classes that you need to empower yourself with knowledge so you can continue implementing for the rest of your life. So she had more energy than she'd ever had in years. It was within 6 weeks of just us working together. Her weight started to come off, her sleep improved, the joint pain went away. She had joint pain, and best of all, she now has full head of hair. And it's been 3 years now, and she's still thriving. She's no longer taking 75 plus supplements. She's no more guessing. She doesn't have fear, and she has energy, confidence, and freedom to live her life again without having to worry about all of these diseases. So what makes this approach different and why it works so fast? So first of all, it's without supplements. We help your body heal without the supplements, and we remove the things that you're doing that are keeping you sick instead of piling more things on. So that's what other doctors do. So you work with them forever. They continue trying different protocols, they continue trying different supplements, and it goes on forever. And with our approach, you're not dependent on us forever. You learn what you need to stay well for the rest of your life. And most of the time, it's people just need support. Kristen, she still checks in with us now and then, but she hasn't needed any major support in years. That's what true healing looks like, is you seeing rapid improvements. We even had a client recently in a program who reversed her ANA marker within 8 weeks in a program, and she was not even doing it 100%. So if you're feeling stuck and you want to know what actually works, you need to watch a masterclass. So in this class, we reveal which supplements we actually recommend and which popular supplements might be silently making your health worse, okay? And why most people stay sick even when they're doing all the right things. So if you want to watch this class and learn about, we actually recorded that class for you that you can watch which actually supplements that are harming your health that you right now sitting in your kitchen, in which 3 supplements we actually recommend and why, and also what you need to do to get your health back. So you can comment under this video master class, and we will send you a link to sign up to that class. In the meantime, we'll also include 2 super helpful resources. Number 1 is a FAQ guide that answers the most common questions we get about reversing all types of chronic diseases. So it's a FAQ PDF guide. And Number 2 is a hair regrowth guide in case that you missed it from a previous videos. So these are both you will get in your email once you sign up to a masterclass. So you're going to get 2 classes, 2 live classes. You're going to get a PDF guide and you're going to get a hair guide. And if you miss that email, then make sure that you check your spam or just send us a message here and we'll resend it to you, okay? So your healing doesn't have to take years. It just has to be the right strategy and approach, a proven method. And that's what we do. Like many of our clients, they've stopped taking 75 supplements that actually paid for a program itself just by stopping all the supplements that you're taking that are causing more harm than good. And again, give us 24 hours to send you that class because we are busy working and gonna continue working for the rest of the day. And so we're not gonna send it to you right away, but you can comment under this video and wait to see a message from us with a link to that class. Once you sign up to that class to learn about the popular supplements that you taking that are making your health worse and which 3 supplements we actually recommend, as well as in that masterclass, you'll learn more about how we're helping people recover their health without complicated protocols or therapies, okay? So that's what I wanted to share with you. And also, if you want to see a full video from our clients from 3 years ago, and as well as her video now, where she shared the things that she's done, the things that she tried, as well as what she learned in a program that helped her transform her health, then you can also comment under this video and we'll share that video with you. Okay, she struggled with Hashimoto's, fatigue, joint pain. She had no hair. She completely regrew all of her hair without supplements, without shampoos. Again, it's all through following a proven process and fixing your body on the cellular level without detox protocol, without supplements, without complicated things. We don't focus on elimination. We focus on helping you identify what is missing or what you're doing wrong or not enough of, okay? So if you have questions about that, let me know under this video below. And also with our clients, in our client program, we do have weekly classes, live Zoom classes, where we teach you everything you need to know about disease reversal. We have classes on different topics, different types of autoimmune diseases, everything about nutrition, everything that you've been reading online, all type of mythology about food. You know, a lot of people tell you I have to eat organic, food is really depleted of nutrients, but we know how to get people all the nutrients that you need through food. So we actually address all of these things in our classes that are hours long that you get access to when you work with us one-on-one. You get access to the knowledge of our information that took us years to put together, working with hundreds of people. So it's really amazing information because unlike other doctors, which we actually had a chiropractor recently steal one of our posts because he doesn't know anything about nutrition, but he's stealing a post because we have client results. And all of these functional doctors don't have these rapid transformations that we have shared on this page. And if you haven't seen it, go to our Facebook photos and videos and see the type of results majority of our clients have seen in just 6 weeks, 40 days of us working together. How their kidneys have improved, their joint pain went away, their energy has improved, and some people are not even doing the program to full capacity. That's why we help you identify the things in your life, in your nutrition that are keeping you sick or causing your symptoms to stay. And it's going to be your responsibility if you work with us to communicate with us and check in with us every single day, which we tell you how that works. So imagine that's why no doctor is going to be there for you every day and telling you, okay, everything looks good, or this is what we need to change, or this is what you're doing wrong. Sometimes I have to repeat it five times to each client until they get it right. Okay? So that's what makes this process different. But of course, results speak for themselves. So let me know if you have any questions about that and comment under this video if you have any questions. Otherwise, if you want to watch a class and learn about the 3 supplements that hurt your health, comment on masterclass. If you've already worked with us, like let's say you 3 years ago you worked with us and you want to join a refresher course, then send us a message and learn more about our refresher course where you can get access to all of our new classes, because we continue teaching new classes in a program, and in a program for clients who have worked with us, and if you've gained your health back, university arthritis, you're no longer having fatigue or pain in the body, your labs are not normal, then the next level is we teach you how to increase longevity and also how to add quality years to your life. So that's what we continue teaching new classes in a program and providing support and answering client questions. But also for new people, if you have never worked with us, you're interested to learn about what we do, then first step is to watch our classes that you can sign up through the link by commenting below under this video, masterclass. First of all, you have to watch that. And then the second step after you watch it and go through the video and learn, you have to book a consultation one-on-one to learn how we can help you, okay? So these are the two steps that you need to do to get a help. Hi, Natalie. Hi, Molly. Good to see you. And message us to learn more about how we can help you, but different things we comment, and I'm really excited in this video to hear about a client as well as many other clients we worked with who have continued implementing what they learned within just 6 weeks of us working together, and how they're still symptom-free, medication-free, disease-free, and continue living a healthy, happy life without doctor visits. That's really what this is all about, is we want to empower you how to gain the knowledge, the tools, so you don't have to continue seeing us forever. But with doctors, you have to continue seeing your doctor forever for the rest of your life, but that's not what we're all about. So if you want to learn more, then comment under this video and we'll send you this video and you can watch it and think about what are the supplements you're taking that are hurting you, and what are the 3 supplements we actually recommend for everyone and why. And then we go more in that class to talk about what we do with our clients to help them transform their health in 40 days. Okay? So we do have different programs available for arthritis, for kidney disease, for Hashimoto's. These are the most common things people come to us for help with. Also fatigue. People struggle with diabetes. We have blood sugar normalizing within several weeks. Clients getting off their diabetes medications. We had clients with really severe joint pain who were bedridden, unable to walk. We always talk about that. We had clients with organ failure like Crohn's colitis that we helped recover, as well as clients with gastritis whose labs have improved. And then we had clients with dry mouth, dry eyes, Sjogren's disease, who were able to also see improvements in their symptoms as well as their labs. So and if you're looking for full list of conditions we have successfully been able to address, then you can also comment under this video or reach out to us through a messenger or send us an email, victorianaxana.com. And then I hope you having a great week, and I'll see you next time. Look out for next exciting announcements.